Welcome to Trends Tech, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tools and technology. Join us as we explore Curated. The 3-in-1 electric thermal weeder is a versatile and highly effective tool designed for anyone looking to efficiently control weed growth. It features a unique interchangeable nozzle system, which transforms the device into a barbecue kindling tool with a temperature capacity of up to 650 Celsius. This intense heat rapidly destroys weeds, even those tucked in the cracks of sidewalks or between stones on paths, by disrupting their cellular structure. The 2-meter power cord ensures you can reach even the furthest areas of your garden without the hassle of extension cords. The ergonomic design with a soft, non-slip grip minimizes hand fatigue during extended use. Made from durable aluminum and high-impact ABS plastic, it's designed for long-term use in various weather conditions. Unlike traditional weed killers, this tool is 100% environmentally friendly, producing no exhaust fumes. It operates quietly, requiring only a simple plug-in to begin use. The Fastback Pro Auto Mechanics Bench is an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Designed for ease of movement, it comes equipped with 3 large, 7-inch wheels that offer smooth, quiet rolling across concrete, gravel, or asphalt surfaces. This creeper is equipped with 2 magnetized LED lights, which help illuminate the darkest areas under your vehicle, allowing for precision repairs. It has 2 adjustable height settings, allowing users to lower the bench for tight spaces or elevate it for working on uneven surfaces. The shape of the recliner provides excellent ergonomic support, reducing strain on the back and neck during extended use. Constructed from impact-resistant material commonly used in automotive bumpers, the creeper is both durable and soft, with a head cushion for added comfort. Built-in tool trays are strategically placed for easy access, and the creeper can support up to 400 lbs, ensuring that it's robust enough for heavy-duty tasks. The Handyman PA Dry Pencil is a high-precision marking tool designed for versatility and durability in tough working conditions. The rectangular 2x5 mm lead provides clear and visible lines, ensuring accuracy when marking on a variety of surfaces. Equipped with an integrated sharpener, the pencil allows for precise adjustments to the lead, ensuring optimal marking performance every time. The pencil's ergonomic design offers a secure, comfortable grip even during extended use. The built-in organizer for spare rods and the protective quiver ensures that you never run out of lead while on the job. Featuring a high-tech pressure mechanism, the pencil produces smooth, consistent lines with minimal effort, making it easy to mark materials ranging from wood to metal. It is also dust and moisture resistant, making it ideal for use in harsh environments. The Black & Decker Chainsaw Lopper combines the power of a chainsaw with the precision of a lopper, designed for cutting branches up to 10 cm in diameter. The tool features unique clamping jaws that function like oversized scissors, allowing you to grab and cut branches easily. The 4.5-amp motor delivers consistent cutting power, capable of tackling thick, stubborn branches. With a safety metal guard covering the jaws, users can work confidently without the risk of hand injuries. The compact and lightweight design allows you to reach tight spaces with ease, making it ideal for both professional landscapers and homeowners. Powered by mains electricity, this tool provides continuous use without worrying about battery life. The Vibrating Tile Setter is a specialized tool designed to ensure flawless tile adhesion. It evenly spreads adhesive, eliminating air bubbles and uneven patches, ensuring a perfectly smooth surface for your tiles. Powered by a 16.8-volt lithium-ion battery, this tool provides long-lasting performance with an indicator light showing when it needs recharging. The suction cup has an impressive lifting capacity of 77 pounds, allowing you to safely move and position tiles without straining your back. For added precision, the built-in bubble level ensures perfect tile alignment, while the integrated flashlight illuminates low-light areas for better visibility during installation. The quick-charging battery 2 hours and additional backup battery ensure uninterrupted work. The Gator Micro Zip Sander is a compact and efficient tool designed for fine sanding in tight, hard-to-reach areas. Its unique design fits comfortably under your index finger, offering exceptional control for detailed sanding tasks. The tool is compatible with premium-grade aluminum oxide sandpaper, which provides consistent finishes and helps achieve a smoother surface. The Velcro attachment system allows for easy sandpaper changes, while the durable high-density foam body reduces vibration for a comfortable, fatigue-free sanding experience. The resin-coated sandpaper helps resist clogging, ensuring longevity even during prolonged use in challenging conditions. The DeWalt insulated cooler is a rugged, high-capacity cooler designed to withstand tough conditions while keeping contents cold. It features a 25-quart capacity, which can hold a day's worth of drinks or food for a crew. The cooler's rotationally molded design ensures that it can survive drops or impacts without losing its structural integrity. The reinforced insulation maximizes ice retention, keeping your food and drinks cool even in extreme heat. Built with non-slip rubber feet, it stays in place even on sloped or wet surfaces. The cooler is also equipped with a bottle opener, making it ideal for both work and leisure use. The Marshalltown Pole Sander is a heavy-duty tool designed for sanding drywall, ceilings, and other hard-to-reach areas. Its lightweight aluminum construction makes it easy to handle, while the rubber cushion ensures a smooth, even sanding surface without damage. The quick-release clamps securely hold the sandpaper in place, reducing the need for constant adjustments. The sander is equipped with threads for attaching an extension pole, allowing you to reach high ceilings or other elevated surfaces. With a work surface of 9 to 38 by 3¼ inches, it's perfect for large area sanding projects and repairs. The roller squeegee makes cleaning paint residue from rollers quick and effortless. Its design wraps fully around the roller, with rounded edges that prevent damage to the roller's surface. Simply tilt the tool to apply the appropriate pressure, and it will clean the roller thoroughly, saving you time and mess. This tool also makes washing rollers easier, as it allows you to clean them underwater without getting your hands dirty. It is compatible with a variety of roller sizes and is a must-have for anyone who frequently works with paint rollers. The Untwist Tool V2 is an innovative device designed to quickly and easily untangle Cat 5e or Cat 6 wire pairs. With a simple button press, the device automatically rotates, allowing you to feed the tangled wires through with minimal effort. It also straightens wires as it works, saving time and reducing frustration. The device's battery life supports the untangling of approximately 2,400 wire pairs per charge, and it fully recharges in just 45 minutes. Compact and easy to use, this tool is a must-have for anyone working with large quantities of cable. Thank you for watching. We strive to bring you quality content every day. Our dedicated team, including video editors, screenwriters, designers, and content managers, works hard to create the best experience for you. See you in the next video.